Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to use Copilot in Excel. So if you're an Excel user, you will find out how you can easily use Copilot to analyze your data or complete some tasks more easily on the program. Okay, first get your PC connected to the internet because you're going to be using the web platform. But the program still works in the desktop version of Excel. So after that, I'll click on my age. There, visit Microsoft365.com. All right, it here. Here, I'm logging automatically because I saved my login details on Microsoft 365. Okay, but in case you need to log in. Okay, so let's go to Excel. This is Excel. I'll click on it. Then I'll select blank workbook. All right. As the blank workbook opens, then fill in your data. Okay. Here, I want to create data containing some products I purchased, their cost price, and their selling price, plus the profit made in it. Okay, so I will have products. All right, done creating my data. You can see product, cost price, selling price, and profit. Okay, now I want to analyze this data. So, and we need to use Copilot for that. Look at the top part of my Edge browser. You will see a Copilot there. But that is not what we need because it's not fully integrated into this program, into Excel. So what we need to do is to use the Copilot that is integrated into Excel. All right. And for us to use that, click on these three dots. You can see some options. All right. And Copilot is a group here. And under Copilot, you have Analyze Data. So Analyze Data is a Copilot AI program integrated in Excel. If we use this, it will giving us general knowledge, which is what we don't want, okay? So I'll close this to have a fuller view. So I'm already on the Home tab. Then click on Analyze Data. Okay, once you click on that, automatically the data you have in the Excel are selected, just as you can see. Now it suggests something here. It says percentage of total cost, percentage distribution of products. All right, so it's giving us insight of what we are likely to be looking for. Okay, so here it has cost price and selling price by product. So you say if you want to create a pivot table, you can just click on this insert button. But I would like us to represent this in a chart. Okay, so I will go with this option, insert, insert chart. Okay, okay, let me drag this up. You can see this has created a chart of this data representing the product, cost price, selling price, and the profit. Okay, you can increase it. So you see, it has made the work easy for us. Now, let's go and look at another suggestion it gave to us. All right, here is a percentage of total profit. Okay, maybe you want to look out for the product that got the maximum number of profits. Are you getting it? You can go with this suggestion. You see, now from this analysis, the RGB headphone stand, okay, gave us 21.62% of the profit, followed by this laptop stand. So you see, the AI is very intelligent and it can make work easy for you. But okay, let's now ask our personal question, all right? In respect to the data we have here. So I'll close this, click on analyze again. Okay, here I want to find out the total cost I spent in buying of all these electronic products. So instead of using formula to sum them, Copilot can do that for me. So I will say sum. So here I say sum the total cost price. So I will hit the enter key. And now you can see Copilot has returned the result to us that I spent a total of $280 in the purchase of all these products listed here. As simple as that. I believe we have learned how you can use Copilot in Microsoft Excel. So always use it to analyze your data and query the information you have in in the spreadsheet as well. Okay. With that, you make your work easy and simple. All right. So thank you for taking your time to watch through the video. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about the AI. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. And hit the like button for me. See you next time.